In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Copilot for specific languages. If you like GitHub Copilot but want more control over where it appears, this walkthrough will show you how to turn it off for just the languages you choose without affecting others. We'll stay inside Visual Studio Code's settings so it's quick, safe, and easily reversible. First, open the main settings in VS Code. On Windows or Linux, go to the File menu, then Preferences, then Settings. On macOS, open the Code menu and choose Settings. This opens the settings view where you can browse or search for any configuration. If you prefer, you can also use the settings search box at the top to jump straight to what you need. In the settings search bar, type Copilot Enable. Keep it short and exact to filter out unrelated options. You're looking for the setting labeled GitHub, Copilot Enable. This setting controls whether Copilot is turned on globally and importantly lets you fine-tune it per language. Selecting this ensures you're adjusting the correct feature in the Copilot extension, not a general editor suggestion setting. With that setting selected, you'll see a list of languages associated with Copilot. Next to the list, find the small pencil icon. Click the pencil to edit the entries. This is where you add a language you want to manage or change an existing entry's value. When you add or edit an item, choose the language you care about, such as JavaScript, Python, HTML, or any other language recognized by VS Code, and set its value to disable Copilot for that language. If a language is already on the list and Copilot is active for it, change the value to turn it off. If the language isn't listed yet, add it and specify that Copilot should be disabled there. The language names match the identifiers VS Code uses in the status bar and file associations, so pick the one that matches your files. Once you've made your changes, VS Code applies them immediately. You don't need to restart the editor. The next time you work in a file for a language you disabled, Copilot suggestions will no longer appear for that language, while staying enabled in others. If you ever change your mind, return to the same setting, click the pencil again, and adjust or remove the entry. This approach keeps your workflow consistent and focused, letting Copilot help where it's useful and stay silent